If you feel lost right now, like nothing is working, like you're behind in life, like everyone else has it figured out except you, stop, take a breath. Because this moment, this confusion, this pain, it's not the end of your story. It's the beginning of your reset. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to start over in life, step by step. The first thing you need to do is simple but powerful. Admit that you feel lost. Don't run from it. Don't distract yourself with social media, games, or fake motivation. Say it clearly, I feel lost. Feeling lost is not weakness. It means your old life no longer fits the person you're becoming. This discomfort is growth trying to happen. When you accept it, you stop fighting reality. And that's when clarity begins. Right now, grab a notebook and write, what is making me unhappy? What feels out of control? What am I tired of pretending is okay? Clarity starts with honesty. When you feel lost, your mind is full of noise, opinions, comparisons, overthinking. You cannot rebuild your life in chaos. For the next 7 days, reduce distractions, limit social media, wake up 1 hour earlier, spend 10 minutes alone in silence daily. Silence reveals direction. When the noise goes down, your real thoughts get louder. Most people fail at starting over because they try to change everything overnight. New body, new career, new habits, all at once, that's overwhelming. Instead, pick one area, just one. If your health is broken, start walking 20 minutes daily. If your mindset is negative, read 10 pages daily. If your life feels messy, clean your room today. Small wins rebuild confidence. Confidence rebuilds identity. Identity rebuilds life. You cannot start a new chapter if you keep rereading the old one. Maybe you failed. Maybe you trusted the wrong people. Maybe you wasted time. That's okay. Everyone has a chapter they're not proud of, but listen carefully. Your past is a lesson, not a life sentence. Say this to yourself. I did the best I could with the awareness I had. Forgive yourself. Growth begins where guilt ends. Starting over doesn't require a perfect plan. It requires a clear direction. Answer these 3 questions. Who do I want to become in the next 6 months? What habits would that person have? What can I start doing today? Now turn that into 3 daily non-negotiables. For example, exercise 20 minutes, work on skill. 1 hour, no phone before bed. That's it. Keep it simple. Consistency beats intensity. Starting over will feel uncomfortable. You'll doubt yourself. You'll feel slow. Some days you'll want to quit. That's normal. When you build a new life, you destroy the old version of you, and the old version will try to pull you back into comfort. Don't negotiate with weakness. Discipline today creates freedom tomorrow. Stop asking, why is this happening to me? Start asking, what is this teaching me? Every setback is training. Every failure is feedback. Every lonely night is building mental strength you'll thank yourself for later. You are not behind. You are in preparation. If you feel lost right now, understand this. You are not broken. You are rebuilding. Starting over is not about changing your entire life in one day. It's about making one powerful decision today to stop living on autopilot. Right after this video ends, do one thing that your future self will thank you for. Just one. Because the moment you take action, you're no longer lost. You're becoming. And this time, you're building a life on purpose.